I'm Elchin from SellerSprite. Today we are gonna use some special methods which is popular in China as well to look for product and basically product research, but it is not as basic as I said. We are gonna use some crazy filtration methods to bring down any product with very high margin or maybe small size or maybe new product, but this category selecting is very specific. We need to pay attention to profit margin, as well as we are gonna remove many filtrations like how many units sold or what's the price, etc. Many things we will not use. Totally different perspective to product research criteria. Now, after watching this video, you are gonna search some products in your category. Maybe you are new beginner seller, and I guarantee you are gonna find some product as well. Now I'm gonna share my screen and start searching product. I believe you are gonna find product as well by using this method, because I said this method to several of my friends and they also found the product. Me myself was looking for several kind of medical product, and I did this method and found it. Now I'm gonna share my screen and we begin searching products. Let's go. So now I'm on the product research tool here. You can do product research in different marketplaces for different time frames, but now I'm gonna do in USA last month. From here, let's select a category. Today we can search maybe in automobile category. Actually it's very good category. Many products, if you are in this category a little bit now, what the product and the cars or car parts, it's very good because there are a lot of niche product which are not available for other people. Even the majority of the people don't know this product exists. So it's a very good category actually. Confirm it. Now I'm gonna go down the price. Very important, you guys. You see, I don't put anything, monthly sales, product variations, or revenue, etc. Anything. I'm just gonna put here 60 to 80. Minimum and maximum sales price on the Amazon. Ratings, 200. I'm just putting very narrow. Maybe later we can extend it. Then let's go down and very important, gross margin. Gross margin, I'm gonna put 70 here. What's the gross margin? We subtract from sales price the FBA fee and the referral fee. Then we say it's gross margin. So this gross margin contains also your profit, PPC cost, and the product cost from China, shipping, etc. But if it higher, like 70, 75, this kind of product could have 20, 25, even 30% the profit margin, which is crazy nowadays on the Amazon. Also, I would like to select FBA, not the Amazon or not. And FBM is also okay for this subcategory, but not the Amazon. Now I'm gonna click search now. Let's see what's the product. There is 5,000 plus products. Now let's check some of them. I know these products are light. I just wanna open one of them to keep it, as then we are gonna analyze it ultimately to check out how is the sales, and maybe we can add some more filtration, like the products launch within 6 months. It's not that old and it's also not that new, because if someone launched the product and they stay on the market last 6 months, it means they already ranked and they should be profitable nowadays. Otherwise it's not. Usually the people keep the product, or with giveaway, or maybe if he's losing money, they keep the product in 6 months. We decreased by 4,000. These lights are again here, tire inflatable. Let's open this one as well to see. Okay, next, this tire, this is popular for winter. Maybe next year you can see it. I'm not sure what's this one, but the revenue is good, 52,000. The price is good. Launched last September, and the FBA fee is not that high. And the sales are going good. So it seems it's okay as well. Let's open this one. What's this one? Search. Let's open this one. I think it's enough. You need to go all those 4,000 products, check one by one. But now we are going to analyze this one. Now, here we are in this category, RV Surge Protector. I'm not sure what the product is. It's kind of electric product, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe it's for protecting from the rain or something. Now I just want to grab its main keyword, probably this one most of the time, and search to see what's going on in the market. Search volume is okay, and there are also some supportive keyword. Now let's search it. Okay, we have like bestseller. Bestseller doesn't have that crazy amount of review. It seems it's okay. This one 40 review, yeah. This one is awesome. Maybe this is our 40 review with over 700 sales, 53,000. This is also okay. Now I just wanna run the Chrome extension to see what's the sales. Let me pull up. Yeah, the 40, 72 reviews, 80 reviews, 180 sponsor brands. If there is, yeah, I wanna remove sponsor brand products. And now I wanna sort it according to review decreasing. We see 16 reviews. This product, 16 reviews, launched in last November, and their sales 23,000. It's fine for 38. If you make two wine reviews and combine it, you are gonna have at least 50, 55 reviews. You see this guy is 38. Come here and it's fine. Like price is also very good. 19, 40, 22,000 or 80, 11, 92 reviews, 61. Yeah, it seems pretty good. I like this one. I just wanna reverse several ASIN to see how is the product, or maybe I can also analyze now. We can see market analysis now. How is the market, and is there a new product, or what's the people doing? Just I wanna see market analysis. This a little bit kind of seasonal, but it's not totally. There is one, and if we make it smaller, we see new products here and new brands and new sellers. Yeah, it seems good. Also, lastly, I just wanna see the keyword research. How is the keyword research? Select any of them, maybe this one, maybe this one, and then now I'm doing a reverse ASIN to see how is the keyword. All ASINs keyword 438. First keyword, the average 13,000, 5,000, 10,000. LV search protector. Yeah, the keyword search volume actually is not that high, but it seems market is also smaller. And the better side is that keyword conversion is very high, 5, 7, 5, 6. These are less, but normally, yeah, 5 or 6%. So market is fine. Keywords are also fine. This is not that the crazy big the market, big category. Maybe it's growing. I just want to see keyword search volume, how it's changing over the time. Monthly. Yeah, it's a little bit seasonal. And then now it's down season. After some time, after March, it's going to increase. You see from here also, March, February, it's increasing. Now it's less downside, but it's kind of, there will be twice bigger market keyword search volume in the coming month. If it's this one is first one, I want to see how is the sales over the year, how it's going to change. For my opinion, this product is good, so you can analyze and get the price. The most importantly, analyze the profit. Yeah, it's fine. This guy is selling around 200, 230 or 300 over the time. It seems fine. For me, this product is okay. Lastly, I need to analyze the profitability. I need to get the price, from Alibaba's supplier, and then maybe we can give a quick view what's the product price. Which one? Maybe this one. We have Chrome extension here, just easily to check it. I'm not sure if we can find it or not, but at least we can try. It's working with image recognition. It's 160, 140, 158. Like 140, it means like $15 or so, $15. For $15, it's on the market, it's 5 times almost. And 5, yeah, if you buy in China 15 and sell 5 times expensive, it's smaller like this one, the profit should be pretty high. So this product is seems good. So you can go to deeper for this product as well. Maybe I can check one another. Tire inflatable, this product is old product. I'm not sure still it's selling well. Let's check another one. What's this one? Super PDP paintless dent removal kit for car. It's kind of car repairing. Yeah, it seems so. This is also new market. Super PDR is their brand name. Paintless dental kit for car. Again, I'm gonna go over same process. Search this keyword. Then we are gonna find markets. I don't know why the new Macs have this bad function. Here we see many different prices and the products, but let's just give a quick view. How is the sale? I want to see how is the sales. The reviews and the revenue is 7,000. Sponsor brand, I want to remove sponsor brand product, but the number of ratings are not that high. I believe it could be good opportunity if I sort it according to revenue. Yeah, 60 review, 52,000. This is old guy in the market. And the 72 reviews, this is also good. 141, 17 reviews, 53 reviews. Yeah, we see guys, there are several products. Just only these two products have over 1,000 reviews. Rest of them is under like 300, 200, 100, and the sales in compared to review sales are okay. 42, 43,000, 38, 15, 28, 20. Yeah, this market could be also. Now I'm gonna back our filtrations. Filtrations are very important here. This we use only this one. Price 60 to 80. Rating counts 200. Maybe you can put down or maybe put up. For 200 reviews are affordable. I believe it's easy to get these reviews. You can make a wine or ask your friends and get 200 reviews. And a very, very, very important, gross margin 70. If you do so, I believe you can find several products and the end of product research adventure. You are going to go next level. Thank you for watching.